Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack your VW Golf. First, ensure your car is on a level, firm surface, away from traffic. Gather your essential tools: a reliable hydraulic jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and wheel chocks. Knowing your Golf's designated jacking points is crucial for preventing damage and ensuring stability. We'll cover these points in detail to help you lift your vehicle securely and confidently for any maintenance tasks. Before lifting, always engage your parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any unexpected movement. Safety is paramount, so wear gloves and eye protection. Remember, a jack is for lifting, not for holding. Never, under any circumstances, work beneath a vehicle that is only supported by a jack. Always use robust jack stands for security. Your VW Golf has specific reinforced jacking points, usually located near the pinch welds behind the front wheels and in front of the rear wheels. Consult your owner's manual for exact locations. Carefully position your jacks saddled directly under one of these points. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, ensuring the jack remains stable and the car lifts evenly. Once it's high enough, place your jack stands securely. Once your Golf is at the desired height, carefully lower it onto the jack stands, ensuring they are properly seated and stable. Double-check that the vehicle is secure before removing the hydraulic jack. Before driving, always remove the jack stands and wheel chocks. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Stay safe and happy wrenching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.